let's learn how you can save anyone's DP on WhatsApp. So basically DP means display picture, and to do this all you need to do is to know and have that person phone number that you want to save. So go to WhatsApp, copy person phone number, and then go to Safari or any browser you want, and all you need to type on search is WhatsApp DP download. And you just need to visit this first site, Toolzine or any other. Then you will have to type in the number of that person you want to save. Make sure you check the country code first, and then just type phone number. After you done that, just click on download. And as you can see here, there will appear that person picture. All you need to do is to click on save DP, and this little pop-up will go. Just click on download. After you done that, on download section you will find that picture you have saved, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and